In this video, I'll be talking about the entire process of creating and selling your own ebook. I started 6 months ago and I've made over $900, which is around 85 to 90,000 rupees. So this entire process consists mainly of 5 steps. First is topic selection. What are you going to talk about? Second, we are going to talk about the content that you'll add in that. Third, we are going to talk about where you're going to design it, how will you structure it, etc. Fourth, we'll talk about where are you going to publish it, which is the best platform. And fifth, we'll talk about how to drive in sales. And towards the end of the video, I'll show you exactly what's in my ebook and why it made around 85,000 rupees sales. So coming to point number 1, which is topic selection. What I did was I went to threads where I create content. I went through my posts and I saw the comments. What are people appreciating me for? What are people asking me for? What do my friends ask me for, etc. So that is where I got my idea. But most of you who are watching this video will not have social media accounts and maybe you're just starting out. So what I suggest is go to Claude. It's one of the best AI tools. So I'll show you exactly what to type in Claude so you can get the best ideas. So this is a very simple prompt. Analyze the top selling digital products and write me 10 ebook titles that have massive potential. Okay, so Claude has generated around 10 niches that we can look at. So now the most important part here is if you have expertise in any of these topics, if you know little more than the average, if you have little knowledge about any of these niches, blindly go ahead with it. You don't have to do anything else. You are good to go. So for the simplicity of this video, I'm going to choose health and wellness and we'll create an ebook on this topic. So I'm going to say for this niche, health and wellness, give me 10 interesting ebook titles to write about. So these prompts are very simple and I'm just putting it right now. So the magic is not with your prompt, it's with how you structure and how you come up with your content of the product. So out of all the generated topics, I'm going to go with topic number 5, which is a 6-minute morning routine. And I'm going to create a content about this. So once we have the title, it's very easy. I just have to copy the title, paste it and say, write a premium to the point, highly knowledgeable on this title. So I have just entered the prompt and it's going to generate the entire content for us. In the meantime, let's head over to Canva and see how to actually design the template. So we're going to come to template section, search for ebook. So it's going to show us a lot of ebook templates that are already pre-made and you just have to copy and paste it. So once you decide which template you want to use, you can hit on the template and say customize this template. Now you can just hover over these elements and you can change them. You can change the image and everything. So we'll do that right now. So here I'm going to add the ebook title. So here it is, the 6-minute morning routine. So as you can see, I've added the tagline. Now I have to change the image as well. So I'm just going to hit on the image, come to elements, and then I'll search for something that I like. So 6-minute morning routine. I'll search something as morning. I'll come to photos and here I'll choose something I like. I already like this one. So I'm just going to hover it on top and resize it just like that. I will delete the previous one and put it here. Now as you can see, the main page is done and literally took 2 minutes of our time. So let's just go to the next page. Here we have introduction. We are going to fill in this content as well. Okay, coming back to Claude, we can see that Claude has gone through all of these websites. It has extracted all the scientific facts, all of the studies related to rewiring the brain and morning routines, and then it has generated a PDF file that we can copy the contents and put it in Canva. Okay, so I added the content for the introduction page. Now I'm going to change this image. So I will be choosing this image, and as you can see, you can just drag and drop and the image is set. Now this introduction page looks amazing as well. So just like that, you have to go through every page, every template and just add in your content that you got from Claude. Now I want to give you one disclaimer. Whenever you create an ebook, don't blindly copy paste from Claude or any other AI tools. It does not work like that, because if you can copy paste in like 2 to 5 seconds, so can everybody else. Your product is going to sound and look like everybody else's. That is not going to get you sales. I've done that before and it didn't work. I don't think anyone who has just copy pasted from Claude or any AI tool has done it. So I highly suggest take the contents from Claude, put it into a Google Doc, do your own research, look at your own expertise, see whatever experience that you have, actually put in your knowledge, and it should be something like, oh, I would learn a lot from this as well. So it shouldn't be like, oh, I just want to sell this and make money. That it does not work like that. People are not going to buy it then. This is just a personal tip. I really don't want you to be disappointed like how I was back then. So I hope this helps. Okay, so once you have extracted all your knowledge from your Google Docs, from AI and from your expertise, now we are going to click on share and then we'll hit on download and we are going to download this ebook as a PDF. So far we have brainstormed for topic ideas. We designed the content from Claude, from other Google Docs, from your experience, and we have already designed it on Canva. Now the fourth step is to actually publish your product. And to publish the product, I'm going to use superprofile.bio. This is an amazing website. You can set up and host your store in literally few minutes. And I've used other platforms as well, and this is one of the easiest ones. That is why I'm suggesting it to you. So we are going to come to superprofile.bio and hit on sign in. We are going to sign in to our profile. So once we log in, we have to come down to your apps, and here you can see payment pages. This is what we're interested in. And if you don't see it yet, you can go to explore all apps and turn on payment pages right here. So I'm going to click on payment page. Then I'm going to hit start selling now. And obviously we are going to use digital product because ebook is a digital product. Now this is going to be your store. You're going to add your title here. We already have the title. So as you can see, I've added the title and the description, and on the right hand side, you can see how it's previewed on your store. And one last thing, we're going to add the image as well. But as you can see here, the image requires 1280 into 720 pixel size. So that is not what we have yet. So I'm going to go to Canva, copy this main page. Then I'm going to go back to my home page, click on create, click on custom size. And here I'm going to set 1280 into 720. So here I'm just going to paste and we will be centering this. So now that we have the exact pixel size, we're going to download this image, come back to superprofile.bio, and here we are going to upload downloaded image. So as you can see on the right hand side, this is how it looks. What I love about this is how minimal this is. People don't understand the importance of minimalism. The more amount of features and options you have, the more confusing the user or the customer gets. So you need to have a very minimal store, and this is perfect for that. So here we have the button text. So what do they need to click on to actually get it? So I'm going to leave it at get it now. You can add more pictures, you can add more testimonials. Testimonials are like reviews. If you already have few reviews, some of your friends' reviews, you can add them here. So that is going to be it for the creation. And I'm going to hit save and continue. Now here I have to add in the content. So I'm just going to drag and drop the PDF that we had just created, and I'm going to set it to a fixed price, and let's say I keep it $199. Here we can also offer a discounted price. So I'm going to click on it and say $199 here, and I'm going to say the actual price is, let's say, $499. So it's going to say $499 cut and then $199, which is what I like. Now I'm going to hit save and continue. Now here you can choose the theme for your store. Is it going to be dawn, dusk, or default? So basically light mode or dark mode. And here you can change the colors as well, but I like to keep it minimal. Black and white looks best. And here are few additional details, like do you want customers information? I highly suggest you turn on email ID because emails are very important. You can create your own email list and sell them future upsells and rest of the products. And then there are tons of options that you can offer. You can bump offer, which is an upsell. So you say, you like my product, now pay a little more to get a better product. So that's an upsell. We have automated emails, terms and condition, refund policy, all of this stuff. So we are going to hit on publish. And as you can see, our product is live. It literally took us 5 minutes to create the store and publish it. Trust me, if you had to do this without Superprofile, you had to go create your own website, create your own payment page. I've done all of that and I've spent way more money than this. So I highly recommend you go to Superprofile. I've also provided the link in my description. If you use that link, you're going to get the first month just for 99 rupees. So I highly suggest you do it. And as promised, here is the exact ebook that got over 80,000 in sales. So here you can see it's the ultimate 7-day reset. We can go, then we have the table of contents, reset your space, body, focus, direction, etc. Then we have an about me page, which is just an honest introduction about me. Here we have day 1, we have phases, and this is a small science bite that I have. I'm a big fan of neuroscience, so I've added this as well. So for every day you have a particular kind of reset that you go through, and I also have a community where you can join. So there are 200 plus people who are just in the same niche. So it's going to be very useful. In day 2 we have a similar content. We have reset your body, and this is the content for it. Day 3, day 4, and so on. So every day has a small mini challenge, and that is what keeps the users invested in the product, and it's going to make them feel more productive. So we have day 5, day 6, and so on. So as you can see, it's a 25-page PDF. In the end, we have a congratulations, you have completed, etc. And we have the next steps as well. So that was the entire product that I wanted to show. So this is how my store looks. It literally took us just 5 minutes to create and publish the store, and it looks amazing. And again, the link is in the description, so you can go check it out right now. Now that you have your ebook ready, you mainly have 2 ways of marketing your product. First is organically with posting. Second one is running ads. Now obviously I'm going to choose organic posting because it's completely for free. So if you want to know how I use Threads, which is a very underrated social media platform to market my products, you can click here and watch this video. I talk in detail about making your first $1,000 online. So click here and watch this video, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.